Today we'll talk about how can you disable email notifications on your Redfin app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down here, click here on my Redfin, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on email notifications, just click on it. So then you come to next step here. You come here to unsubscribe from emails, click on it. So then automatically it's going to disable with you here for email notifications on your Redfin app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.